Right guys, speed revision 3. Right. First question. So you have to write this with me and provide the answer at the same time. Right. Make theta as the subject. Theta as the subject. X equals theta upon base 60 times 2 pi y divided by 3. Y divided by 3. Sorry, y divided by z. Make theta as the subject. Right. First one. So I will be deleting this one. Second one. Express 10110. The base is 2 as a decimal number. Find x. Right, guys. Do this. Write fast and at the same time, right? At the same time, provide the answers. And I will give you 3 minutes to complete. If you finish, you can send me D for done. Right? Right? Now you guys have to make sure that you have enough speed. In grade 9, Hari, in grade 9, there are 2-3 students. There are 2-3 students, right? When I finish writing this part, and after giving 1 minute extra, they would send D for done. Patas gala D කියලා හරි. උඹලා මෙච්චර ඉක්මනට මොකද කරන්නේ කියලා. හරි. ඒගොල්ලෝ මාත් එක්ක පරණ ඉඳන් හිටපු කට්ටිය හරි in grade now previously they were in grade 8. Now they are in grade 9. Hurry. When I write all the things and they are sending me the answers as well. Data particle answers ටිකත් ඒවා. Now they are up to the standards. හරිද? ඒගොල්ලෝ එහෙම හැදිලා ඉන්නවා. So you guys need to do the same. Data particle ලියන්න ඕනේ, right? Don't think too much. වැඩි හිතන්න එපා. හරි? සඩගාලා ලියන්න, සමගාලා ලියන්න. Do this fast. Right. Another 1 minute remaining. $30 seconds. If you finish writing, if you finish providing answers, you can send me D to the chat so that I can measure you guys. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Time's up. Okay with it. Now focus on the board, right? So here, what you guys need to do is, don't take too much time for solving question. If you feel like I am not confident enough with this one, but I am fully confident enough with this one, so move to this one. Do this. Write this. Now your mindset is not working for how to make the theta as the subject. Don't waste your time. Move to this. Yes, you are knowing this one for the method, right? So you guys are very familiar with and you guys are confident for this one. Write this, provide the answer, then move to this. This one. Yes, I can solve for x, so I can find the value for x. Done it. Nothing. Do this. This one, what easy. Do this. I am not familiar about right angle theorem. That means Pythagorean relation. So that I will keep as it is and move to this one. Likewise, so you have to go right. Okay. Focus on the board. Make theta as the subject. So this is you are already familiar, right? This is one of the theories that we have already discussed. Right? Already discussed. Arc length, right? So I have done some different changes so that all the things are here, right? Make the exact subject formula lesson, right? And as well as more arcing, how to find the arcing. So the theta is the thing that you need to make sure that you have isolate, right? Now think two of these sides are like balance. If Farah has done super, right? Now these are two balance, right? Taradi 30 balance, and middle my face is the what, equal mark, right? Now if you change the sides of the balance, right? For this side you are putting carrot and this side you are putting 500 grams of bara weight, 500 gram weight. Now you are going to rotate it. Pole ginti pole amala tek. Nani or pole and nani. Ne supermarket ni supermarket there will be no one of the balance. Taradi net. Normally if you are going to go the normal fare, politer, there are lot of balances, right? You are going to rotate it. Now in your right hand side you have carrot, left hand side you have one of the 500 gram weight. You are going to rotate it. Now carrot comes to this side, 500 gram of weight comes to this side. Nothing happens, same balance. So I will do the same thing because my theta is in the right hand side. I need to take it into the left hand side, but I will rotate this. Nothing happens, so that this will make easy for me. 2 y divided by z equals this side to this side, this side to this side, x. So these two terms are in the denominator, these three terms are in the numerator. Denominator, numerator. At times I can do that. If you want, you can multiply, divide both sides by 2/5y, then I will simplify and cut and 360 into z. If I want to remove that, I will multiply both sides by 360 and z, so on and so forth. I am not going to do that. So theta is the thing, move here, right? Theta equals denominator 360 into z, right? It goes to the numerator of the other hand side multiplied by 360 into z, right? Divide 2/5y in the numerator, it full thing goes to the denominator of the other hand side, so that I can write 2/5y, right? Theta equals, normally we are writing the number at the front of the expression, then algebraic terms, right? So I can simplify here, 2 times 1, 2 times 180. 180 comes to the front, 180, x is a alphabetical order. If you use alphabetical order, that would be great. Divide by 5y. So this is theta. Right. Express 10110 base 2. This is a binary number in as decimal number, as a decimal number. So you guys know this how to do, right? Right. Okay. So however, 1 0 1 1 0. So there is a pattern that you need to understand. The pattern is 2 to the power 0, this one, right? 2 to the power 0, anything to the power 0. And I have told you guys this one, anything to the power 0, the value is 1. Right? This is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3, this is 2 to the power 4. Right? Right. So this is the way. And this is the way. If I take this one, 2 to the power 0, 1 times 0, 0. Right? 2 to the power 0 means 1. Now, I will give you separately the values for these things. 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 times 1. And then here 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 2 times 2. 4. 4 times 1. This one. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 8. Okay, later we add 10. Right? 8. 8 into 0. Here, not 1 into 0. 1 into 0. Because here you have 0. 8 into 0. 2 to the power 3, 8. 0. 2 to the power 4. Okay, then I have not enough space, so that I am writing like this. 2 to the power 0. Sorry, 2 to the power 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 16. Right? 16 times 1. There is a pattern. This is 1. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. That is the thing that you need to understand. Otherwise, you will simplify 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Right? 2 to the power 5. 16 times 2. 2 to the power 6. Then this is 32. 32 times 2. Right? So on and so on. So we add this. Here 16 plus 8 times 0. 0. 4 times 1. 4. 2 times 1. 2. 1 times 0. 0. No need to add it. So equal 20, 22. Base 10. Right? So your answer should be this. X divided by 3 plus 2x equals 14. Find the value of x. Right? In two places you have x. In two places you have x. So you have to take them into one place. The important thing. The thing that I have taught you in last week. Fraction. Full complete number. Whole number. Next. Common denominator is 3. X plus 3 into 2, 6. It comes here, 6x. Equals 40. Right? Equals 40. Right? So, x plus 6x, 7x divided by 3 equals 40. Now, make sure that x is the subject. 3 is in the denominator, it goes to the numerator of the other hand side. 7 is in the numerator, it goes to the denominator of the other hand side. Right? 14 times 3 divided by 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. X equals 6. Right? This one, what I see? Interior angles of a triangle. A plus B plus C 180. That's why I am telling there might be some easy questions when you are reading the question paper and skipping the hardest part. Correct? Correct. X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. Interior angles of any given polygon equals to here. What is the value of interior angles of any given polygon? Summation of the exterior angle. Sorry. Summation of the exterior angles of any given polygon. What is the value? On angles of polygon. Grade 9. Final lesson that we did. Tell me. Exterior angles of any given polygon. 360. X plus Y plus Z. 360. Exterior summation of exterior angles of any given polygon is 360, not only for the triangle. Interior angles 184 triangle. So this one. Pythagorean relation. Y to the power 2 equals 9 to the power 2 plus 12 to the power 2. 9 times 9, 81. 12 times 12, 144. Add them together. 5, 8 plus 4, 12, 225, right? So y to the power 2. Then y equals square root of 225. Right? Group 1 එක set එකයි නම් මොකද සිරාටම කියන්නේ උන් උත්තර දෙන්න නැහැ. හරි. උඹලා උත්තර දෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. So I might feel like no support. හරි. 225 divide, sorry, square root of this. This will give you 15 centimeters. Y equals 15 centimeters. Right? Write the equation. Type of y equals mx plus c. If the type is y equals mx plus c of this graph line, you have to find the gradient and the intercept. Right? M is the gradient, c is the intercept. Intercept now you can directly tell this. Intercept you can directly tell it. Right? Next. So C is the intercept, and how we are going to identify the graph line crosses through the y-axis. So 3 is the intercept. So you can directly write C equals 3. How you are going to find M, which is your gradient? Pick a point on, right, anywhere on the graph, right, anywhere on the graph, and what you have to take? Y coordinates. Y coordinate divided by x coordinate. Right? Here. Right? So the here, and it would be better if you can get the subtraction, right? But here I think something is missing. So the menu comes here, right? So if you consider this one, right? If you consider this straight line or the graph line, so you can take this rate to this point and to this point. So this is point A, this is point B, right? So if you consider the vertical height of this point A, right, until point A, you will get 3. So that is your y, right? 3 divided by x coordinate. X coordinate is this. So in x length, so you have again minus 3 comma 0. So this will give you again 3, right? So you will be having 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So the m is what? Gradient is 1, right? So according to this equation, y equals mx plus c, you can write, I am going to substitute these values. Right? So m is this. M value is 1. So 1 is positive 1. So you can keep it like x. C, instead of C, you can substitute 3, positive 3. So your equation will be y equals x plus 3. Right. So I will give you another 2 to 3 questions. Seventh one, simplify 5 minus 1.5 plus 3 and 1 upon 4. Simplify. Eighth one. What is x and what is y? I'll give you 1 minute. Right? මේවා කටුවට ඇඳගත්තට කමක් නෑ. rough sketch. Right? If you draw rough sketch, it is okay. Right? Right. Hope the time is enough. Right. Now look at the rule. I'll discuss. Right. 7th one, simplify. Right. If you use Bodmer's, I think you know Bodmer's. What is Bodmer's? Right. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So brackets, first of all, I have to simplify inside the brackets. Right. So I will simplify that 5 minus mixed number. So I will convert this mixed number into improper fraction. 2 times 1 plus 2, 3 upon 2. Plus denominator is 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 divided by 4. Equal mark 5 minus. And here you have denominator 4, here you have denominator 2. So you have to find the LCM. LCM will be again 4. Or you can directly convert this 2 into 4. Right? So to do that, you need to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 2. So 13 divided by 4. Right? 5 minus 3 times 2, 6 divided by 2 times 2, 4 plus 13 upon 4. Right? So very simply 5 minus 4, 4, 6 plus 13, 19, 19 divided by 4. So make common denominator is 4. Right? Here you have minus and here you have 19. 4 times 5, 20, 20 comes here. Right? 20 minus 19, which will give you 1, 1 upon 4. Right? This is what we have learned last time. Okay? Full number minus fraction. Right? So your answer will be 1 upon 4. This one. Right? So all the things have been given now. Sorry, these two lines are also parallel. Right? So this is x, this is y. You have to find x and y by using the information given. Right? Right. Okay. So how we are going to find y? Very easily you can find y. How? Right? These lines are parallel. So this is a transversal. Right? This is a transversal. So you can write y plus 100 equals 180. Why is that? Aligned angles. Right? C type of angle, the summation will give you 180. Right? So take this 100 to this side so that you have to take the subtraction. Subtract 180 minus this one and it will give you 8. Y equals 8. Right? This angle is 8. And also, if you consider this one, this 100 and this total angle, those are corresponding angles. F type angle, this one parallel, F type of angle, corresponding angle. So 100 equals x plus 30. X plus 30 equals 100 degrees. Why is that? Corresponding angles. Take this to this side. X equals 70. Sets. right? Sets A union B, right? All the elements included A and B, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements of A and B. A intersect B, the common elements of A and B. Common for A and both for B. Both A and B are this part, the common area. 1, 2. Right. Simplify. Loss of indices. Right. I have given you this in last week also. Right. So simplify. Equal mark. If you want to simplify this one, right? Whatever you can keep your answer in any format. Right? So whether I would prefer both should be in positive powers, right? Or you have to eliminate denominator, right? Whatever. Right? So I will simplify this one. If you give your answer in both in positive manner, so this is P negative, right? P to the power -2. So I will bring it to down, right? Q3, and I will bring this negative power to down, and I will take this Q2 up, right? So this is Q to the power 1. So if I take it to the numerator, it will take Q to the power -1. If I take this P to the power -2 to down, it will give me P times positive 2. So it will automatically comes to P to the power positive 2. Right? So if I simplify same base, right, at the powers, 3 minus 1 means Q2. 3 minus 1, 2. Same base as PP, the power is 1 here, 1 plus 2, P3. Now all things are positive, right? So if you want, you can keep your answer like this. Or else, you can simplify it like this one, this in the middle. Right? Here you have P to the power -2, right? I will bring P and Q both into the numerator, right? So P to the power 1, if I take P to the numerator, it will become automatically P minus 1. Here you have Q3, right? Here you have Q3. I will take this denominator Q to the upper. It will become Q minus 1. It's a different way, right? So answer will be equal mark P to the power -2, P to the power -1, -2 plus -1 -3. Same thing, 3 minus 1 Q2. So both of them are same. If you take this P3 to the denominator, so numerator, P minus 3 Q2. Same answers. Doesn't matter. Right. Find F. This is the formula. You have to substitute C equals 25. 1.8 multiply instead of C, I am going to substitute 25. Right? 25 plus 32. So 25 times 18. So simplify 8 times 5, 40. Remainder is 4. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So 5, 2. This will give you 450. So here you have decimal point. So I have to mark one decimal point. So 45. 45 plus 32. Right? So add them together. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. F will be, right, 77. Right? Okay. So this is the end of the speed revision 3. Right? So I will let you know how to join the class from next week onwards. Right? Few of you are here. So the